Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, what we have here, we're going to demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram right here specifically. Now we're going to go ahead, open the hood, and here guys, under the hood on the driver's side, if we zoom in a little bit, you see that's your car battery. Here in front of it you'll find your main engine fuse box. What you need to do here now, press these two tabs at the same time. It will open when you lift it up, and underneath you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, for the VVT Solenoid, which fuses we need to check? Up to 7 of them. You wonder why? Due to the fact that all these 7 fuses are for engine management, but there is very limited information what exactly they are for. So check each one of them. One of them will have the function for VVT Solenoid. Please guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to give you one quick advice so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse 21, then check fuse 22, 64, 57, 72, 77, and fuse number 78 will need to be checked as well. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.